Hey guys, if you're using Grok and you suddenly see this message, Grok is under heavy usage right now. Please try again soon or upgrade. Don't worry, you don't have to upgrade or wait forever. Here's a quick fix that actually works for me. Step 1. Close Grok completely, not just refresh, actually exit the page or app. Open Grok again from the start, then try your prompt again. Most of the time, Grok becomes available right away. Now if you go back to your old chats and it's still locked, do this. Just start a new chat and type your prompt there. And that's it, fast fix, no waiting, no upgrade needed. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.